What up guys, back in the big video. So today we are going to be doing another part of the series of the Topps Baseball 2019 update series. Again, 46 cards in the pack, and here's the pack. There we go, and let's crack it open. I'm just taking a quick look. Alright, so first card we got Paul Goldschmidt. And we got Brian Dozier. Division, whatever FOES is, foes. It's a cool card. Oh, and then we got Vladimir Guerrero Jr. rookie card. Brandon Brennan. All-Star Game Edition, Justin Verlander. Steel City Bashers. And we got the Southside Warriors. And yes, we have Madden in the background on my TV over there. And we got All-Star Game Edition Shane Bieber, actually MVP. Then we got All-Star Edition Jose Mario? I have no clue. Let me put it over here. We got Kyle Dowdy. Andrew Miller. And then we got Greatest Moments, Bud Selleck, MLB Commissioner. Little cool card right there. Now we got a pretty cool card of Michael Brantley. I've got a few cards of Michael Brantley in this series. And we got a really cool card of Miguel Castro. And I did not color on that. That is the card, if you can see. Then we got and then we got a cool Will Smith, rookie for the Dodgers. One of the best rookies for the Dodgers. And then we got Wilmer Flores. Ooh, and then we got record-breaking month, Cody Bellinger. And then we got, All-Star Edition, Javier Baez. Then we got Rookie Edition, Michael Chavez. Then we got Freddie Freeman, All-Star Edition. And this is my third card of the All-Star Edition of Michael Brantley. Then I got the other cool one at the beginning. Yeah, Michael Brantley. Oh, and then we have Curtis Granderson. Ooh, and then we got Puig, Yasiel Puig. And then we got Josh Donaldson. And then we got Ronald Acuna Jr. That was weird. And then we got Domingo Santana for the last card of that unboxing. Hope you liked it. Yeah, so peace out.